Here I have Motorola Moto E20, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Talkback on this device. So firstly, you have to open Settings, then go to the Accessibility section, Talkback. Here you can enable this feature. After that, Talkback tutorial starts and it talks non-stop, so I just going to shut this up by closing this.
Close tutorial.
Yes, please close. So, if you want to turn off this feature, because you know it talks non-stop, you have to double tap everything to select any action. So you just have to firstly select, and then to confirm it, you have to double tap it, like this.
Use Talkback on. Stop Talkback.
Stop.
Stop button.
Please
Talkback
stop.
off.
And that's how you can turn it off. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.